Come and try my tasty lasagna. Add onions and fry. Add curry if desire and fry. Add mince and fry for 4 minutes. Add 500 grams of tomato sauce. Add stock and salt. Okay. Now it's been already 10 minutes, so now I'm actually going to add the carrots. Yeah, carrots, courgettes, and mixed peppers. Add the spices as well. So add pepper, coriander, cumin, and stir well. Make sure everything is all mixed together, and then we'll come back again in 20 minutes. Now I'm adding the garlic. We'll stir it in properly and then cover it for 5 minutes, and then you can check the vegetables that they're actually cooked already now. So I'm just going to put the lid back on, and now I'm actually going to turn off the hob. These are the ingredients to make the white sauce. This is the easiest way to make white sauce. More milk, add butter, whisk, and then add the flour gradually. Continue to whisk until the white sauce is thick. Now the white sauce is ready, so I'm gonna add now cheese on it, sprinkle some cheese on it to make a cheese sauce. Sauce now is ready. Now everything is set. Let's start. First, add a layer of bolognese sauce in the baking tray, followed by the lasagna sheet. I'm going to show you now how broken lasagna sheet, it actually does not matter. So have a look and see what I'm doing next. Yeah, as long as there's a gap between them, and these I just kind of fill them. So you can have another one here as well. And then just cover these, it's fine, should be okay. Yeah, now, so the next thing is the white sauce. I'm just gonna put the white sauce all over. And I'm just gonna use a wooden spoon to spread it. So what's gonna be next? Another sheet, another lasagna sheet. So you're gonna put the lasagna sheet now. The meat sauce all covered, so now this is all right. So this is done. So this is the last layer I'm doing. So I'm going to start from here and keep going. Just leave a little bit of space, because when it cooks, it expands. This is the last layer. So first we're going to pour the white sauce on it, and then after we sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkle some cheese, and there you go. That should be enough, really, because I'm using just the 2 cheeses. But you can use either. You can either use just the cheddar cheese. You can have different. Right, so now it's ready to go. You put it in the oven. There you go. Guys, put it in the oven. Okay, and there, 190. Nearly done. So it's only maybe another minute or 2 before it's finished. Okay, the lasagna is ready now. So I'm gonna take it out of the. Just gonna a little bit of steam. So make sure you careful of the steam. Right, so here we go. It's all done. Lovely. So I'm just going to leave it to cool down a little bit. And you can see here, you can see a little bit of oil. What I tend to do normally, just get a little bit of kitchen towel and just soak it off with a little bit of, just to get rid of oil. And there, just there. This is a little bit of oil. Yeah, not a lot. Just soak it up. Okay. perfect. So we'll leave it a few minutes to cool down. Then, so it's up to you where you cut it. So now I'm gonna serve it hot. So I could get maybe a bigger piece. Yeah. There you go. Bigger piece there. There you go. That's lovely. Yeah. Enjoy. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.